Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today we are going to design this sketch in isometric view. So we use Solidworks as usual. I hope you enjoy. So let's start. File, new part, okay. Select top plane, a sketch. Start by designing this length of 70mm, width of 40mm, extrude up to 10, okay. Choose center rectangle, start from origin, assign dimensions. This length is 70mm, this width is 40mm, okay, and it is extrude up to 10. Say okay. Okay, so assign this one which has 40 length and it is extruded up to 30. Okay, select this face normal, choose color rectangle, start by this one up to this, assign dimensions, give this side 40mm. Okay, isometric, extrude up to 30. Okay, then say okay. So insert this side which has 10 distance and is extruded up to 20. You see, select this face normal, choose corner rectangle, start from this corner. Okay, assign dimension, this one has 10. Okay, isometric features is extruded up to 20. Okay, say okay. So we are going to cut this one with which has size of 20, and this distance it is 10. You see, it is 10. Let's see, select this face normal, choose corner rectangle, start from this one up to this, assign a dimension, this one is 20 and the length it is 10. Okay, isometric, then extrude, cut with length of 20. You see, features, cut, extrude 20. Okay, you see, then cut this one. You see this angle, you see this angle with the 20 distance. Okay, let's see, select this face normal. Okay, choose line, choose line. Okay, assign dimension, from this point up to this you have 20. Okay, let's see, we have 20. From up we have 10. Okay, from this up to this we have 10. Okay, and from this one up to this we have 10. Okay, let's see, we have 10. Okay, isometric, So cut, features, extrude cut, blind, choose to do all. Okay, say okay. So friends, you see, insert this radius of 20 radi. Okay, select this one, fillet, give radius of 20, say okay. Okay, insert this hole which has 10 diameter and the length is 15, and this from this origin up to this 15, and from this up to this one it's also 15. Select this face, normal, insert sketch, choose circle, sketch circle, assign diameter of 10. Okay, assign diameter of 10, you see. Okay, then from this point center up to this one you have 15. Okay, and from this origin up to this one also we have 15. Okay, predefined isometric, features, extrude cut, blind, choose through all. Okay, make plain white, you see. So friends, this is how to design a simple sketch by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So you see, assign appearance, select this part by default, appearance, then assign any appearance you want. Okay, say okay. So this is how to design different parts by using Solidworks software. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos. So my friends, thank you.